Hello, just a quick one. It looks like Stella Bitcoin is going to come down and it's going to go to. It could target this fib here. So I think it might target 872 sats. On the daily chart, it looks like it's attempting to get above this. I've drawn this weird hang about. I don't need it that far, but this is accurate, you see. This is an accurate, very accurate. I've zoomed right in on the fibs. So it looks like, on the daily chart, it looks like this fib 382, which is at 970, it's attempting to break above that. So if it does get above the 970 sats, and it could bounce strongly above. If it gets above, there could be big buy-in point of Stella Bitcoin, Lumens, XLM. But if not, could career all the way down to 872. And that would mean it could bounce from there. But I would have an order in at 872, and I'd also have an alarm set if it comes to 971. 971, I'd have an alarm set, because this is the sort of thing that can just go insane. I mean, look at this increase here. Look at this down to the lows of 456. It shot up to 1288 in a matter of hours. You're talking from right. This low here was 3 o'clock on the 20th of November, and it went to highs on the 25th at 1 o'clock. A huge increase. But look, that first high there was the next day at 1 in the morning. So you're talking about an increase from 1 in the afternoon on the 20th. So the 20th, the Monday was the 23rd, the 22nd was Sunday, 23rd. So Friday, the 20th of November at 1 o'clock to the 24th at 1 a.m. So exactly 12 hours, Stella went from, no, sorry, it's the 20th, yeah. Sorry, I'm wrong there, I'm sorry. So the 20th, so we're talking about, how many days are we talking about here? So we're talking about from 1 o'clock on the 20th to that first high on the 24th. So you're talking about 3 days and 12 hours. It's gone up from 456 sats to 970, and now Bitcoin wasn't underperforming at that stage. So Bitcoin, let's have a look at the chart for Bitcoin the same time. So was Bitcoin, so this is Stella Bitcoin, was Bitcoin going down while Stella was going up like that? Let's have a look. So this is a Bitcoin chart on the hourly chart. Now, when did we say? We said the 20th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So here we are, the 20th of November, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So was Bitcoin really going down then, when this remarkable run in Stella? So here's when it ran out, so that run in Stella. Bitcoin was going sideways at that time. So that run up in Stella was very big indeed, very big. From this time here at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Bitcoin went sideways. Stella Lumens, and I think you'll find that Ripple did the same thing, XRP. A quick sideways movement in Bitcoin after Bitcoin had been on a big run up. Okay, so yeah, Bitcoin had increased. These are billions going into Bitcoin here. But when the sideways movement came here, so if Bitcoin, I'm saying if Bitcoin has another run up, like if Bitcoin now, if this goes up now, so here, if this here starts going upwards and goes beyond its all-time high, watch out for a sideways movement in Bitcoin and watch Stella and XRP. I think that there'll be a big flood coming into Stella Lumens and XRP. I wrote those two cryptocurrencies off when Bitcoin was having a lot of time where it was finding its true value. I completely wrote Stella Lumens and XRP off. But I'm saying now, when Bitcoin finds these big run-ups and billions goes into Bitcoin, well, the investors are turning to Stella. So if Bitcoin goes up here into the 20s and then goes sideways, I'm predicting Stella and XRP to gain hugely. Hugely. Because the evidence is there, look. Let's have a look at XRP then. In the same time period. So we look at Coinbase, or let's look at Binance. Right, so where were we? We were on the hourly chart, and I want to show you the... Right, the same time period, similar. XRP did a similar thing, look. On the 20th, at 1... So the Stella one began on the 20th at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. This is all key, look, and there was the low in XRP, did the same thing. So when it happens in Stella, XRP, they are clearly correlated, because look, 1 o'clock here is when the Stella one began. The Ripple one, you could say the Ripple one began a little bit earlier, so it preceded it by, well, not really, no, because look, here is 1 o'clock on the 20th, is when the big run started, look. So look, XRP, in US dollars this is. So XRP began its run. Let's have a look at XRP Bitcoin. So we're symmetrical here. So Bitcoin was going sideways, remember? Oh, got a lot of fibs on this one. Let's get rid of that. Right, so we're at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. US Open on the 20th. US Open on the 20th, on Friday the 20th. The same thing happened, look. And XRP went from... XRP on that time, 1 o'clock on the 20th, went from 1669 sats. And it topped on the 24th, a couple of hours later than Stella did, at 4262. XRP did even more. XRP quadrupled in price compared to Bitcoin. Look, it went from 1677 to 4269. So the next time that Bitcoin has a big run up, I'm saying that any sideways movement, you're going to have a huge bullish run on Stella, XLM, and XRP. So if I was you, I would get some now. It might go down until Bitcoin has this run. It might go sideways. But I'm anticipating another huge run in those two cryptocurrencies.